Just arrived at Rockley furnace. We must begin a hunt. There's supposedly two hunter locations. First one here behind me, which is an old tower. And further back there's actually a furnace. Are you filming?
Yeah.
What, right now?
Yeah.
Who's that? That's you. Right, okay. You are filming?
Yeah.
No, you're filming right now?
Yeah.
Right. Hello, I'm Tom. This is proving paranormal, fact or fake. So we're here at the old Rockley furnace. So we're going to see if there's some ghosts and ghoulies here. Let's go. I'm not coming right now. Yes. Rockley furnace could be a good one. Out the stream. Apparently someone died at this stream apparently. Or got murdered, I don't know.
Is that like a legitimate fact, or are you just making things up?
No, it's a legitimate fact.
Is it a legitimate fact for anybody else other than you?
Yeah. That one was fake. Yeah. You know when I said to you, look at the e-bikes over here? Nice EY.
Yeah, I remember seeing it last time when I rode my bike straight over it without any trouble whatsoever.
Here we are at the board of Rockley Furnace, having the information about it. Ignore the graffiti. Yeah, apparently this is where the ghost mine has been spotted walking around.
Right, shut it, Rob.
Put that filming bit out. 1957. Hey? Right. Are you recording me?
Put it down or...
No, go for it. Go, keep it rolling. No, keep it rolling. Apparently these are South Yorkshire paranormal ghost hunters. We met, what did we meet last time, Carl?
Ghostwatch.
We met Ghostwatch, so...
UK.
Ghostwatch UK, so let's go meet these lot and see what we get. Right.
No.
We will just start it so we have some other equipment like this is Carl.
Hiya.
This is our camera.
Are you on the camera? I can't see you.
I do recording.
Maybe down a minute. Hiya.
I'm Tom. Where's Melissa? We're proving paranormal fact or fake.
Are we on your page?
Diane.
I think one of our followers you on YouTube.
I follow you on YouTube.
Oh dear.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I do have you on channel.
Yeah.
We've been here 2 times the other day, but not tonight.
I'm sure I recognise your voice. I've watched you and yours sometimes. There's one video up at the moment. Is there one video? Yeah. Comics Tunnel.
Yeah, I can go now for it. Yeah, on that one.
I think I've watched it because it's on the road.
Careful walking here, there's lights and they...
They're just motion sensors, so go walk on.
What were you expecting to try? We've heard about...
We've just been told by some local people that just went there. There's a blacksmith scene walks around here. And a little girl, Sanish, just walks about anywhere.
Really?
Yeah, so you might get some if you do it.
Yeah.
If you do it.
Good.
Yeah, good stuff.
You have to feel job in the muscle.
I know that's alright.
It's alright. I've had both jobs, but COVID still.
My second one on Tuesday.
Oscar Rock. Neither.
I don't know. I could not tell you.
I've had both Astra. One that goes to Woodford.
Well, that's the one I've had.
Yeah, I've had that.
But now they're giving under 30s. Oh no, for under 40s.
Yeah,
Wider one now.
Well, if there's anybody here who should communicate, would you play with these balls or the rocks?
Oh,
Me no harm.
Nothing.
How long have you been going?
We've just, like I said, we've just recently started. Second week, is it? So, wow.
I'm off to the other side. I don't know if she does actually.
Is anybody here? Could you go touch that white light that I've just been next to? Can you go up and touch it? Especially ask you to come forward. Touch that white light if you can. You can go up and touch it to light up. We have children here working.
What's going on there? Literally one after another.
are you running video around here?
Me? I will be because I have right spare back
Is
here.
that little central?
There's nothing.
It went to the second dock.
Yeah, I'm told She's picking up electricals.
Can you get your phone now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it could do.
I will be recording.
Flat?
Yeah.
Let's go a bit.
Yeah, too near any electricals, it can go. That's what they're actually for. The electricians use them to find wires and
I'll be alright.
faulty appliances.
I'll be alright on these. Put that.
Nah.
Okay.
That's what I've done. Idea is if there's something spiritual in its energy, it'll ping it.
Yeah, so mine's not doing out, is it? Like, I've got one, but it's more a pen, but
Yeah, like a light on a pen.
yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think it does stuff in it power wise.
Things like boilers and the putting it at boilers, see if they're on or say it kicks some rate power out.
What do?
On and off. When you want all off, it'll all light up, but that's just it powering on.
That'd be alright, just 300 gross feet.
Oh.
I went. Let me phone. No lock it. What? Yeah, phone.
Yeah.
Come on. You shot right up then, didn't you? They say it shot straight up then, didn't it? Before.
If anything like last time, and they also missing my wee in there.
I've got that, by the way.
Have you really?
Yeah.
Who's got mentioned it?
I'm not entirely sure if I trust them, but them top three.
One, do we have any children here?
Fine.
No.
So you've downloaded Mandanosca.
Yeah.
That's a weird one, that's watching YouTube videos.
No. I'll put it on. Missing about it, bed. I've got a video on it on. I'll have a look. That's Brandon Nauticus an intention. It dropped a pin right on top of our house.
Do you need a music box?
Worth a look. I wasn't expecting out from it.
Yeah.
And we come out into the woods.
Heard a music box
And
before?
just with no there at all. Second, messing about with me, as an intention as death. And we'd gone down, there was a power pole come over, all power cables down, and the danger of death sign right with a pin one.
Shows a sign that she's here, it's all right,
So it might be worth looking into it.
Yeah.
If not, it's a good night trip around, isn't it?
Okay, let's go. Okay, right, okay. I'm Tom and we are proving paranormal fact or fake. Melissa is stood with me as well. Hello. Yes, hello. We're here at Rockley Furnace, as I explained beforehand. Carl's giving me the camera to do some recording. Apparently there's a little girl here that floats around wherever she wants, literally. And an old, what did they say?
A guy coming in back from the furnace, like he's working.
Yes, he's a blacksmith, that's the one.
Yes.
He's a blacksmith, which I can't know why a blacksmith would come to a furnace.
Are you one of the engineers? Stock it furnace. What's a stock it furnace?
Right. Trying to connect. Connect the current. What was that? What was that? What?
It's gone. It's gone.
It's just picking up radio.
That one came on well before I anywhere near it. Martin, the motion sensors went off before I got anywhere near it. Yeah.
If it goes off, just press that button there.
Right.
I'm trying to find a ghost box, that's what I'm trying to find, in case anything around that can control it. Where's it?
Back to Kyle. I didn't take that one, was it?
No.
Must something's happened.
I called him, messaged me, they said he nearly died.
Sounds like that one we used in a week. Yeah.
Pretty much. You sure?
Doorway or window. Make that flash.
This is awful such, isn't it?
Signal from his furnace. I'm not here to warn you. Here just to communicate.
See, I can't record any of this.
Existence.
I don't know if this is there, but it's actually...
So it's possible. Prove that life goes on after death. You have an opportunity. You have
We're
the
picking anything up
opportunity
here,
to
it just says
prove
that
it
being a
to
dick.
us
What's that at?
by touching these devices.
That being a dick, isn't it?
Is that your chair? See blue light at the other end, flashing. Can you set that off?
keep it recording, that's all I can say. Trying to find something we use that's going to be free. We have went off for like a minute straight and no woman talking to each other and laughing couldn't really. I don't know what happened, but it worked for about 10-15 minutes and I heard female voice, but I couldn't understand it. She said again for 5 minutes here. Okay, so I turned it without questioning. I was all ecstatic when I whispered for the first time. Anyone's around, I got an interrupt light trying to figure. Alright, pause up. What's this?
It's hard taste of pushing to stay the road more and more.
Yeah. Let's see if we get something from this one. Walk. We're going to see if we get anything from. What's your footing, Melissa? We're going to see if we get anything from the engine house. If there's anybody here, please identify yourself. I feel like I'm interrupting them. If there's anybody here, please let us know that you are here. And what is your name? Please let us know who you are. Do we have a name for the little girl that floats everywhere? This is like what we had, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Do we have a name? Please speak to me. Oh, Melissa. What's that run there? Please speak to me. We're on our way to the engine house. See if we're anywhere. Well, there's anything here. Who's kid?
Kid. That girl.
Who's kid?
That girl at Muds.
She just talked. Who's kid?
What's the kid's name?
Kid? Whoa.
I'd also like to point out, look how long my batteries are lasting today. I was drinking them up in Tunnel, wasn't I?
Yeah. Who's kid? Who? Who's kid? What is the kid? Is this little girl?
Robinson.
It's a teach shop. Tom.
Hey?
It's a teach shop.
What?
It's a teach shop, so we're looking at something more than
Walking.
flashing lights. Yeah, but if you can be shot and talk, so we're not just looking at flashing lights.
Who's Robinson? Is Robinson a little girl? If you are, give us a sign something. We've just got a name.
Sound.
Is that supposed to be doing that? You're not supposed to be doing that? Like I say, You see the fact or fake?
I'll
Please flush the K2 box if you are here.
go around a few different places with them, fire them up, see if you get out relevant. See if they're actually.
I heard little girl's voice. Is she present with us now? With this girl?
Yeah.
We have a peace offering. We have a little chameleon. I don't know if they were back in your day, but we got it from something called the Kinder Egg.
As if he's talking to ghosts about Kinder eggs.
Yes, you can walk. At the minute, we have Leslie and Mr. Carl doing recording. Carl's using an app on his phone that gives us sound and answers from spirits. I'm using a necro box, both searching and trying to communicate with the spirit. Whether we're getting answers is another thing. I just realised I've left the bag over there. Can you be down and get it? See your shadow? Wow. You know what it is? It's like that one you check. Almost what? Oh, it's got the drinks and that in it and coffee. It seems to be getting all that action to it. We're getting that all on. Almost what? Sorry for the mask. COVID as we know. Can you please
Tom.
almost see your shadow?
Tom, sit down and eat shots so I can film them as well. I can't see machines and you. It was a bit boring last time video, just watching machines.
Yeah, I kind of figured that one as well.
Trapped here.
What do you mean you're trapped here? You are trapped here.
For reference, I just moved sound recorder, that tapping my mate.
What do you mean you're trapped here? Why are you trapped? How? What happened? Who trapped you here and why? It saves you. Yep.
Phones.
It saves you your wording as well.
Yeah, you can access them later as well.
You are trapped here. Who trapped you here? Two? There's two trapped here. Who's trapped you here? Can you make this K2 box light up if you are present with us now? Who's trapped you here?
Might have been bad fucking stride and I'll edit that out.
Well, keep that in. I like that. Marvellous rise then. Right, I'm going to swap over from the necro box to the other one. We're not getting many answers from that one. So we're going to try the Spirit Box X8, which is what we had before.
Injury.
Injury? What injury? What injury did you have?
If we stop him, I'm going to switch from Spirit Talker.
Close your messenger out. Headphones.
Right.
Ready for it?
Whoa!
What was that? past you laughing.
He fucking did, didn't it?
He come past you laughing. She's playing games. Oh,
You saw that though?
yeah. She's playing games.
I saw it come straight behind me.
Yeah. Oh,
Grab
stand here.
that.
She's playing games. We've just had a little girl run past. She's playing games. I like games. Is this Robinson? Who? We've just had a little girl run past Carl.
What?
We've just had a little girl. He's gone down there. Literally, Carl was, yes.
Yeah.
Carl, she's answering. She's here. Here, where's her standing? She run past you. Come on, get the K2. Did you just run past my friend Carl?
I was just stood there and thought, just disappeared.
Is your volume turned up?
Eh?
Is your volume turned up?
Yeah.
Full?
Thought it's going in. Do a speaker, really.
I was going to say, I had some starter, you're starting now. Come on.
I was trying to put a tape for this.
Don't pull the tape off that because that's where I've done it, you tit.
Oh, I can taste this tape. Can't taste coffee, I can taste tape.
Leave the tape alone.
Let me take the tape off.
He's got,
a bit.
no.
20.
20. 20 what?
The tape.
Now, I'm just throwing this out there. The man that said Pokemon in everything has got a Pokemon lock screen on his phone.
What?
That's not a Pokemon. No?
No. That's a shiny
That's
Pokemon.
not a joke, no.
That's a shiny Pokemon.
Shiny mature.
Macho. Yes, can I mention my YouTube channel here as well?
I was going to say why not.
Okay, well, I'm the Pokemon Detective, aka Ventura. I also do proving paranormal is either fact or fake. So yes, I do both. Please like, subscribe, share with friends, hit the notification button, but not this one.
And this one.
Not the Pokemon Detective one, this one. Proving. Oh, I Pokemon tattoos. Did you forget?
I nearly had a Pokemon bike.
Who are you?
Who am I? I'm Tom.
Is that because we just talked about Pokemon Detective?
So we're getting more from. Right, I'm using the Necro box, and Carl's gone back to the one where we could hear things. We seem to be getting answers from both. We're both searching. We've just been asked, who are you? Whether we leave it up to another thing. And you pulled the tape off that, haven't you?
Wait a bit.
I told you not to.
Wait a bit, look.
I told you not to.
It took great pride in that cup, you know. That was pride and joy, that cup.
I made it this evening.
Sister.
Sister? The last time... I'm going to step around from here because I'm not feeling very...
For reference.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I don't even know why I took the lid off, to be fair.
I've got a feeling
Do you think it's a silly cup?
It says yes and no. Take a whistle first. Do you think that... Killing, so you were trapped here by some sort of electric, and who's killing? Literally.
Where's killing you if you don't leave him with us taking tape off?
Look.
Run now.
Run.
Run now. You used to pump water out of a mine, didn't you?
Yes.
What you said in mine. Did you work at furnace or at pump house? Working at pits was a dangerous job. Did you ever work down pit or just at Waterhouse? You used to pump water out of a mine, didn't you?
Yes.
I just said mine. Did you work at furnace or at pump house? At pits was a dangerous job. Did you ever work down pit or just at Waterhouse?
You like you want to buy one from the announcer or not? I'm going to ask some questions. I'm going to do it through the recorder. Like I did last time. So obviously what I do when I get home, I put the headset right in the ears so I can listen properly. If there's anyone here, could you...
What that?
That's a dog. First time, that worked that first time. Somebody walked in there. Go out here, we'll head back into the furnace. Thanks for leaving, Todd.
Don't worry, I've got it full picture.
We actually, have you got the camera on? Yeah, the camera. Wes is doing the camera in now. I've been changed so we're having breaks. This if you want it. That's getting stronger. We're actually using a ghost scanning camera. We've just heard a random noise. Sounds like the bottom of a furnace or something.
Yeah, that's not real, that one, is it?
You reckon?
Yeah, that's definitely a bit more. That's a bug, that.
We're actually going to fast.
What?
We are. Is that recorded?
Yeah.
We're actually now going to enter the pump house. See if there's anything going towards here. I'm going to actually. I don't know which one I'm going to use now. I might.
Yeah, that one's pretty decent.
We'll use the EMF. And we'll go on negativity. That's what we're using. I'm going to see if we see anything floating around or anything worse. This is what we're going for. As we get on the they always say camera's £10. For me it's more like 20. Wesley said he heard something or saw something walking down here. Too close to me. Either I know that's a lie.
You picking up mine?
No. Get off completely. You've got a red dot there.
Yeah.
Here, there.
There.
Right by the door.
Is anyone?
This is an EMF. This is an electromagnetic field recorder. I'm actually going to try and play this recording back. It's telling me there's no signal.
Yeah, might be 'cause it's all brick in it.
No, there's something by you. Now we're using the, you can see anything.
It's a carrier bag.
No, it's I'm going to take some shots if you can see anything. I saw something over here by the way. There's a very nice torch on this. The big thing you see is, I don't know what that is. There's something there. And try and get it onto the normal camera. Oh, I know what it is, it's the reflection from the camera to...
If I cover that up like that.
It's still the reflection, it's reflection of my lens.
Alright.
Right. I'm going to try the X8 box again. You can mute it and turn it off as well. So, I'm going to ask a few questions. See if we get anything. So if we would like to swap round. Is anyone in this pump house? Can you please let us know you are here? If you are here, please let us know you are present. I'm just going to watch where we're stepping because it's not very clean and safe where we are. I prefer the other one. We're actually going to swap from... Yes. 4 minutes. That's the best one, it's not as loud. If there's anyone here, please let us know. Name, where you're from, what year. Wes,
Yeah.
that says your name.
Did it?
Don't you believe it?
Oh, I didn't hear it.
Eh? Another what? Another what? Carl! Carl! Another! That's what he just said. Yeah, record that.
Yeah.
Another? Another what? What? What?
Oh, yeah, that was random, that wasn't it?
Listen.
Yeah.
What? What are you doing here? Why are you still here? Can you please be more clear? Do you have a name? Please give us a name. Who?
I'm not sure.
Why have you got that one?
What's my face called?
Oh. Can you please give us a name? I think, did we hear Carlos? Can you please give us a name? I'm Tom, this is Wesley. You're looking for something to search. What are you searching for? What are you searching for?
Do you want to stand outside and have a go?
What?
Not sure.
Always winning the what? You're always winning what? Winning hand? Whose hand? Be clear. Please give us a name.
What's that? See?
Hey?
What's that? You walk out.
Yeah. Touch you? Why do you want me to touch you? I can't touch you. You are neither here or there.
You know what's worrying me? You and Wes walked out at bushes talking about touching each other.
Yeah, do that. Sorry, I dropped the bar.
Now stood with Carl and Melissa.
I'm rethinking this bright light.
It is quite bright now, isn't it?
Yeah.
The little girl has been seen.
You prefer talking to Tom? You haven't answered any questions yet.
The little girl that's supposed to be seen. So she's to be floating around here wherever she wants. She has been seen. She has been seen. She's running past. She has been seen running past. She disappeared down the hill. She was playing games. Why was she playing games? You are here to communicate. Where is she? Where did she go? It was her playing on the benches. She was running around here. Are you here? Is she here with us now? You're trying to come through. Who are you? Are you the blacksmith? I can't see why a blacksmith would be working this way. That light's too bright.
Right, Tom. Tom.
Thanks for the
Ready for your
close-up.
close up, mate?
Extreme close-up! Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville. Welcome to Jackass.
Furnished to ourselves now. I'll do a walk around.
intro box. Melissa here says she's camera shy, but she's not really. We're actually stood inside the furnace itself. Let's hope it doesn't go aflame. It's quite... Is there anyone here with us? It's just you and me now, brother. Sister? Well, Melissa's like my sister. Is there anyone here in this furnace? Happiness is no good for economy. Barbie. We're actually asking if there's anyone here. Myself and Melissa, Wesley and Carl have... we don't know if this box works. I'm not sure. What do you reckon?
Iffy. Time being.
This seems to be flickering through a lot of lights, as you can tell. I'll turn this off actually. You can actually see, I bet the camera's gone off, it's gone off. You can actually see the box going. There's a lot of lights flashing at the minute. I mean, I have literally turned this light off, which is kind of scary in a way.
You were speaking to Tom earlier.
We've got an answer earlier on.
Smells weird, doesn't it? Smells really weird.
We're in a furnace. Why do you expect it's going to smell?
Yeah, but we used for over 100 years, nearly 100 years, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
but that would have people have all been collecting that to burn it when they come down next.
Maybe. Smells like mint. Smell mint. Right.
Probably mint plants around.
Smell garlic. Like garlic.
Yeah, I think so. It's Carl.
I know.
I hope it is.
Can't miss his legs. Wesley, grab the camera. Grab the camera and have a walk around it.
He's got a carousel in that corner.
I don't want any camera in here.
No, come in here.
I've walked down.
Yeah.
While you're on the camera, explain where we are. That's not camera, that's the box.
We're currently at Rockley Furnace in Barnsley. Apparently you can see an old miner walking around, but I'm not too sure. We haven't seen him yet. But other than that, it's been pretty quiet.
You've got that light going that way, haven't you?
I've got a light and camera there. I've got a sound recorder up there, and I've got camera up in corner here.
This is what's making it nice to float past. You get me? Yeah.
Am I allowed to sit here?
Why can't Carl sit there?
Is it dangerous in furnace? Must get hot. How hot does the furnace get? Do you want me to stand back up? That's a stand. Stand now. I'm back up then. To sit here.
Why can't Carl sit there?
It's dangerous in furnace. Hot. How hot does the furnace get? Stand back up. Up then. I hear water helps to fuel paranormal activity. Are you stronger if we sit near water? You can talk to us if you like. Touch one of us. I think it's my fear of it, like my legs on my head that's give me a creepy feeling.
Yes. This one, isn't it? It's the edge.
Where she might to say something. Touch one of us. About making a noise in furnace.
If you're in the furnace, you touch the guy with the hat on. Scary.
There was something near me jump earlier, was that you? You want to make them jump in furnace? Run by them like you did to me. Ah. The seat funny side, innit? Yeah. There's something kept you on edge there, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Are you?
Turn it off.
Yeah.
Don't think so. We did a long recording though, didn't we?
Yeah.
Got a little sound recorder. Phone. Other cameras back in there, innit?
Have you got a sound recorder? Yeah.
Sound recorder.
Yeah.
Wow. Is it, have you checked it there?
Right here.
You got it?
Stop. Save. Save.
Right. You turned it off.
Yeah. How?
That little switch there.
You've got everything, yeah?
I'm just checking now. Camera, waterproof case, stand. I think that's about all I've got.
You have another camera over there?
Yeah, that one.
Right.
That one's enough, isn't it? We're walking down.
Yeah, set off down, it's turned itself off.
Full battery?